Hey guys, Ken Perman back here in the trunk, and I've got something that is pretty good for if you want to take care of your car, and it is something I've never had, and we'll go ahead and give it a shot. But it is, well, you know what it is, y'all clicked on it, so let's go ahead and let's put this on this bad boy. This is basically how you receive it, and let's see how we can get this thing going. And there's the bag. What I like is I can still go in here, open up my car, get what I need out of my car, reach in there and still lock her shut. Zipper shut, you're done. The Sunwhale, I like it. I don't know, what do you think? Pretty nice. Protects your car all the way around. The rain, sun, got a good coverage. This is a Range Rover Sport and it's covering it just fine. And I think it works really good. All right guys, I hope this was helpful for you. I really do appreciate your time. And you know what, I'm out.